have a word to say to this man. That's a brother. And, you know, brother for life. You know, besides entertainment, besides singing, he's an amazing soul. He's one of those that
that's from the girls.
He's in my life, and I'm in his life.
Good stuff. Thank you so much, OTs. David, you want to say something? Come on, what's the microphone over here?
Happy birthday to Zlatan. He's an amazing little brother. You know what I'm saying? Me and him are so close. You know what I'm saying? And like I told you today, thank God for your life. I thank God what you're doing for people around you. I thank God what you're doing for your family. And as we celebrate your 27th birthday, I saw we go celebrate your 50th birthday.
Yes, sir.